bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesota. I am staying at Yesota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesota. The program you are watching today is Kini Show. Kini Show television. This is Kini Show. If you have never subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. And those of you that normally help me to share among friends and relatives, please don't forget to share. Don't forget I'm the publisher of these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Human Problems. All these books, they are written in English and Yoruba languages. All the 4 books, they are written in English and Yoruba languages. Yes. Some people, they are asking for 50 ways of using honey. I told you, 50 ways of using honey has been combined in the new book. The book that followed this one, Honey as a Medicine. So this one is now 70 ways of using honey. 70 ways of using honey. No more 50 ways of using honey. And the latest book is African Power. African Power. African Power. In African Power, you see the name of these roots. The name of these roots. Many people are using this for diabetes, for rheumatism, for arthritis. Then, if you have weak erection, you cannot perform very well with your wife. Ogun yan lọ fàálẹ̀ ó tẹ̀ bá fọ́kọ nílé. Ogun yan lọ fàálẹ̀ ó tẹ̀ bá fọ́kọ nílé. Wọ́n lólówó orí mi ò mọ̀ rẹ́ranko. Àṣàmẹ́gun tó wà lọ́bẹ̀ yìí ò fi fẹ́ bá mi jẹ́ o. Yes, the best meat in the pot. You don't take time, your wife concubine will eat it. Some housewives, they begin to befriend the driver of their husband, when you are not capable. But I just advise some housewives, you don't want to lose your matrimonial home. You can buy these rules for your husband. You can buy these rules for your husband. Don't forget. Some people are calling me from other countries. If you have family in Nigeria or Lagos, they can buy for you. They can buy for you. They can. This rules is very good for manpower. Because when you have diabetes, you have rheumatism, you have back pain, you cannot drive well. You cannot drive well. And your wife will never tolerate it for you. There are some people, when their wives or girlfriends are on the way, they used to do 3 rounds, 4 rounds. But when you marry, you cannot go 1 round again. Problem will begin to start. You call your wife when it's not talking well with you. What is the problem? Say, no problem, no problem, no problem. A man came to me in my area. The Baba was almost 75. He came to me. The thing I put inside the drinks, we share among friends. As the man visited me with some friends in the area. When he reached house, he did wonder with his wife. And the wife is almost 62. Second day, the wife called the husband. The thing you used yesterday, I don't know. Even when I was young and you were young, you didn't do this. Say, which medicine you used yesterday? Say, I just went to see my friend Baboloyi, and he gave me some drinks. I don't know, this thing will worry me like this. As he worry you, it's good. You carry an empty bottle to Baboloyi, he should give you another one. Baba came the second day. My wife said, I should beg you. The thing you gave me yesterday, I did very well. I said, Baba, you don't need to carry bottles. I will put it in plastic for you. But give me 3 days, I will prepare it for you. The one I prepared, my customers has collected the bottles away. These rules, some people say they say they don't know the name. The name is in African Power Book. African Power Book. I cannot be telling the whole secret. Yes. Not every time. Not every time. I'm a family man as well. If not because some people are giving me money, I will not be able to leak all the secrets I'm posting. Yes. Because some people will just call you, this is what is happening to me. I will ask them, which book did you buy for me? No, I bought nothing. I only subscribe to you. Some people will just tell me, I'm a subscriber to your channel. Then you should be helping me with my problems. See me. How is that one done? I'm a subscriber, so I have some problems. You should help me. You should help me. After all, I'm a subscriber. I always laugh at them. If you buy my books, if you have problem, if I cannot undo it, I will tell you. If it is thing I can do within my capacity, I will tell you. Even if the thing is not in the book. But some people will just tell you, I'm a subscriber, I'm a subscriber. So this problem, I will just look at them. Sometimes I used to delete some people, to block some people on WhatsApp. They didn't buy anything. I will just look at their chat for the past 3 months, 4 months. They didn't buy anything. And some people, they are doing this work for other people. Then they will be asking me to teach them the thing they want to use for their customers. They will be asking me to teach them free of charge. That is why when you see my post, you see some people top down. They are the people. All those people, they will top down. They will top down. But when I block them, they will cry. They are, please don't block me. I'm not able to see your post again. Some people will even tell you, I will go and subscribe. I will go and subscribe. Say, go and subscribe. If you subscribe today, watch it. 10 people will subscribe that very day, or 20 people. Then they begin to beg me. So I want to teach you how you can use salt. I have told you in my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. I will still tell you today. Because some people, they are unable to reach that channel. But it's still available. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Don't forget to watch the station and my other station. My last born station. Mr. Last Born Comedy Adewusi. You watch it. One of these days, we meet me at that station. You will be surprised. This salt today, do you know that if somebody puts a sheet at your shop, if you are making sales and some people want to wicked you, they can put juju or put a sheet in bed. They put it at your sheet, at your shop, at the entrance of your shop. If you don't take time, things will begin to do for you. When you get that type of thing, put salt on that sheet. If you get pepper, put pepper, join it. Put kerosene on top, burn it. The announce of that person will come and say, we never try it again with you. Yes. If you don't get pepper, ordinary pepper, cooking pepper, if you don't get it, you can use salt. Buy a sachet of salt. Sachet of salt. Put it on that sheet. Put fire on it. You can get papers. Burn that sheet. You can carry that sheet. Put it in a nearby gutter. Burn it very well. The person will not try it again. And any evil thing you do with that sheet, the person will regret his life. His or her life. Because some people are wicked. Very wicked. What concerns them to use, they can't come and say to protect their tribe now. Wọ́n mẹsẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀bù àti olórí burúkú. Wọ́n má pè ta tí wọ́n lè fi pè yàn pa wọn ò ṣe. Wọ́n mọ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀rú wọn mọ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀rú. Wọ́n mọ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀yán fún yàn. Wọn ò rí lẹ́yìn fún àti dààmú wọn. Àwọn ẹranko tí wọ́n daṣọ ẹranko bóra kiri. Yes, some people they know how to. When somebody hold them, they know how to tell the tenant, if you don't know me, don't worry. The tenant will pack out without announcing and without giving notice to the friends and relatives. You can use salt for that one. I told you in my other channel, if somebody hold you, you just take small like this. Put it in your mouth. Call the number of the person. Please, the way you are owing me, it's not good. Please try to pay my debt. The person, unless you don't have money, unless he or she doesn't have money, he will settle you. You come and pay your debt. Then if you owe people and it's giving you concern, I told you in my other channel, Babaloyin Original Television, you can put short 4 corners of your room. 4 corners of your room. By the special grace of God. Just put it. Any bad thing that is worrying you, that make you to owe people, you will be balanced. Many people are trying it. Somebody sent money to me. He said he owes some people 500,000. And it's a woman. She was able to pay back the money. She sent money to me. The person is watching this program now. Yes. Some people are trying these small things that you don't believe, and it's working for them. Don't forget, the program you are watching is Kede Show Television. My phone number 080-5474-9455. It's on the screen. But you can send your WhatsApp message on this line. The WhatsApp number for this one is 081-84-31-336. Listen again. 081-084-31-336. It's on the screen. That's the WhatsApp number. But the number you can call is 080-5474-9455. You can send your message to the 2 lines, but the WhatsApp number for this one, I told you. Yes, today is June 12th. Some politicians has run away. Yes, they ran away. They say, we don't know what these animals can do. They are calling you animals. They ran away. If you can't see them at home now, they ran away. What is that for you? Because after all, you have collected 4 acres of rice and 4,000 that you will chop for 4 years. Ọgbọ́n làgbàlagbà fi ń sá fún màálù. Wọ́n á ní, ẹranko gògòrò ń bọ̀ o, ọmọ ẹranko gògòrò ń bọ̀ o, ẹ̀yà ajá sá fún o. They have run away for you. They have bought helicopters. Yes, they bought jets. They have run away. When there's no problem again, they will come back. The rest you will eat in 2023, they are preparing it. Yes, ẹ̀yin ti fún lọ́rùn. When politicians want to do campaign, or when the election is about to hold, they will carry all their children and wives. Even their children are not in Nigeria. All your money, your sweat, they are spending it. All your children, they are carrying your money. They are bought helicopter. Their children and wives, they are not in Nigeria. They only go and visit them every 2 weeks. When wahala won't come, it will not meet them Nigeria. You are 40 today, you don't know, some people will travel that very day. But when they want to get certificate of returns, their wife and children, they will come back home. They will put on cap, keep on the head ties. They will come back. All these political talks, they are nowhere to be found. Who is to blame? You have collected 4 acres of rice with 4,000 naira. If you curse politicians, you curse your life, you curse your head. You have collected their money, you have collected their rice. But if you don't collect money, you don't collect rice, if you curse them, automatically it will eat them. Those of you that watched my programs last week, Babaloyin Original Television, I talk about the warrior. A warrior should not lead the war. A warrior should move backward. If anything happens to the boys, the warrior will defend himself. If he gets juju, he can disappear. But a warrior will never lead the war. Jagunjagun ló ń bọ̀. Jagunjagun ló ń bọ̀. Aṣíwájú ogun kì í kẹ́yìn, wọ́n ń tàn ọ́ ní o. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, wọ́n ń tàn ọ́ ní. Aṣíwájú ogun kì í ṣáájú ogun. Lẹ́yìn báyìí. Lẹ́yìn jagunjagun máa ń wà. tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sáà mọ́ ṣẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ disappear yóò lè disappear. Jagunjagun ẹ bá mi sọ fún jagunjagun ẹgbẹ́ yìí kó má gba nǹkan lò lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Bínú bá ṣe é sí àbáríkùn àṣebí. Jagunjagun má jẹ́ wọ́n gbọ́ wọlé ọ lórí káàkiri ẹ tẹ̀ là fẹ́ẹ̀kì ẹ bá sọ fún jagunjagun yẹn má gba nǹkan lò má tẹ̀rí ilẹ̀ má jẹ́ wọ́n fi gbàkúgbà gbá ọ lórí ta lọmọ tó ń ṣe tiẹ̀. Má gbòbí jẹ́ lọ́wọ́ èèyàn o ayé fẹ́lẹ́ o okoloko má gbòbí jẹ́. Má finú wénú lásìkò yìí o jagunjagun má sọ̀rọ̀ jù jagunjagun ẹ bá mi sọ fún jagunjagun ẹgbẹ́ yìí kọ́ mọ̀ má sọ̀rọ̀ jù torí pé alágbára ló máa ń sọ bí mo ṣe mú òun alágbára ló ń sọ bí mo ṣe mú òun. Ẹ bá wo prógámù mi ọ̀sẹ̀ tó lọ lórí bàbá olóyè tẹlifíṣàn bàbá olóyè òrìjìnà tẹlifíṣàn a ní mẹ́wàá yóò lè mú mi mẹ́tàlá yóò lè mú mi wàá wá ní ọ sọ pé mẹ́wàá wo lè mú òun mẹ́tàlá wo lè mú òun o bàbá fẹ́ lọ mú ẹja tó 50 sí 100 o kálágbára mọ̀ máa sọ̀rọ̀ jù èyí ni mo fi pa òwe ni mo fi pa o. Don't forget the program you are watching, Kedi Show. Don't forget to watch my sister seasons. Apa Oloye original television. Then my other season, my last born, Mr. Last Born Comedy. Those of you that you are watching and you are subscribing to that channel, ẹjọ mo dúpẹ́ o, mo kí yín o. Once you hear that it's my son, some people they are subscribing and they are watching that season. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. You will just press it. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. You will see it there. It's a small boy. As you are watching that station, God will bless you and enrich your pulse. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà.